Audio Jungle.
Okay, so it's just after 5 in the morning. We're gonna load up here and go to Cars and Coffee. For me, it's about a 50-minute drive there. It's from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning, and they want us there early, so that should put us there 6:15, 6:20. But as you can see, it's pitch black, of course, but it should be a fantastic day. So we will pick up when we get there. That was a good ride. What'd you think, Derek? That was way fun. clean Bronco. Wow. Alright, so we're here with Sandy. He brought his C2 Corvette and parked it next to mine. Thank you, Sandy. You want to do a kind of a side-by-side comparison. Got the arches, turn signals. Got a match on the intake, body line. Of course, got the tail lights. Yeah, dude. That's rad. Nice clean Viper. Nice clean Grand Sport. Thanks for coming over.
Let's go home and take the fiberglass out. Take care.
Yeah. right, just kind of unpacking a little bit here. Just got back from the car show. This is the Cars and Coffee there on Ina. Great show. Of course, we had to leave in the dark to get there just after. We got there about 6:20. Got there early enough. Had a fantastic crowd. Man, that was such a big turnout. But again, huge response. Everybody loved the car. It was a constant crowd. Almost so busy to where we couldn't get people to park next to us. I invited somebody who had a C2, which he came over, which was great. See that side by side. But it was a great show. Hopefully the video I'll put together for that show does it justice. All right, got everything unloaded, got the car back in. I just want to give a shout out to all the fans. I was thoroughly impressed. All the feedback. Yeah, I've been watching your car. I've heard about it. I saw pictures of it. This is it. Yeah, it was great to have that kind of response. So thank you for all the fans, all the people I met today. Hope you can tune in, subscribe, and follow the rest of this build, and it'll be fantastic, I promise.